Julia and her brother Paul and I kayaked to these bedrock outcroppings in Salem Sound at Cat Island a few miles east of Marblehead, Massachusetts. Here are ocean depths carved between rock walls by glaciers that made their way down from Labrador and which dug a river bed which the rising sea level lay below the ocean. These craggy and ancient dry ledges are split open on all sides by trenches left behind by eroded veins of basalt. On the horizon, the Port of Boston shipping lanes which lead to the busy President's Roads transit channels. Cruise ship and container ships and liquefied natural gas tankers take aboard their pilots and hire tugs to make port. After we landed, Julia launched the drone, as usual. You can land here at mid-tide if the surge is minimal, and we did so. On the cobble bar that connects these outcroppings to the larger island, where the YMCA runs a summer camp for children, we collected beach glass, examined the ID tags of shattered lobster pots, and picked through the bleached bones of long-dead seagulls and cormorants.